car won't start up? Getting strange error messages on your dashboard, such as move selector lever to position PN, or airbag error, or error brakes workshop? Then before diagnosing anything else, such as a shift plate problem, you may have a flat or dead battery. Normally when you have a dying battery, you'll still be able to crank the engine and hear it turn over, but struggle to turn on. But sometimes these weird things will happen where you'll get random error messages flashing on your dashboard, and it's going to seem like your car is just going haywire. So there's probably nothing actually wrong with your airbag, or your brakes, or your shift plate. Other symptoms could be when trying to start the car, hearing nothing but clicking noises, various other error messages, your hazard lights might be blinking by themselves, unable to lock the car doors, and for those who have frameless doors, your windows won't auto roll up after closing it. These are all signs of a flat battery. And keep in mind, this is a much more common occurrence in the winter season or the cold weather, as it requires more battery juice to start up the car under cold conditions. So if you already have a weak or dying battery, you might find yourself stuck, unable to start the car with all these error messages. Just get it jump started by roadside assistance. Be sure to drive the car for about 40 minutes to an hour to charge up the battery, or enough so that you can get to the nearest auto shop and get your battery replaced. Hope this could help anybody out there. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe for more. Feel free to comment down below in the comment section, ask any questions, I'll do my best to reply, and until next time.